Good morning, everybody. It is Friday morning. Oh, let's see, the 22nd, I think. Yeah, I think it's the 22nd. Oh boy, I hit the video button here to take my video, and I'm trying to think of what day of the week it is and what day it is. Yeah, we just went down and harvested beans again, and I'm really absolutely amazed. And of course, peppers. Lots and lots of peppers. They're a little small, but wow, that's okay too. And one eggplant and some Ampalaya there.
Wow, so many died there.
Yeah, but and like I said, I only picked the good beans here. There's a lot of old stuff hanging on the vines down there. Beth is here, as you can see. And we already had somebody drive by on the road, said they'd be back and want to pick up a couple kilos. So yeah, we'll probably sell a couple kilos of beans. I'm done canning the beans, and then I'm kind of out of jars, so I've got to wait till the budget allows there. But so we'll sell these or give most of them away.
8 kilos.
Oh, that's probably a good, yeah, 5-6 kilos.
No, I don't think so. 5. Looks like 8.
Yeah, yeah. But I was surprised again. Like I said, just wow. We have had.
Where did you get the pepper?
The pepper.
They're next to the Ampalaya.
And below the Ampalaya there.
That's all the Ampalaya?
Yeah, that's it.
Anyway, we just
and it's starting. You know, this just is barely going to make it.
This is still good.
Yeah, but it's still good.
Cracking.
Yeah.
This might be.
And you can see, yeah, Tiny's here. Yeah, they like sitting on the table here with all the food.
Are you going to can again?
No, I'm not going to can anymore. I want to use the I may, a matter of fact, I may try canning some of the peppers. I'll have to think about it for a little bit.
You can can the pepper?
Yes.
How are you gonna do?
Well, you got to slice them up and that, and then you just boil them for a couple minutes in water, and then put them in the jar, the hot water, and a little bit of salt, and
Why you wanna can this one?
what?
Why you wanna can?
Oh, like I said, for the off season when we don't have peppers anymore, we'll still have peppers.
Oh, I see. They won't turn to red, really. I'm waiting for this one.
No, they're just not going to turn. By the time they start
I see that.
to turn, they're starting to rot.
Yeah.
So, and
so this might be the ready to pick up dark green.
yeah, oh, they're ready. They're no doubt ready. Like I said, they're a little small, but wow, a good crop of peppers, and I'd rather have a whole bunch of small ones than none at all. So, and then the regular peppers there also. But I'm surprised the beans look so good.
Yeah.
They are really.
We didn't have any more beans.
Yeah, I was thinking that, but we did get that rain. Oh, let's see. It's the 22nd. About 6-7 days ago, we got a couple of days of good rain, and that really did it. That's where we kind of got this.
You have plenty old there?
Yeah, we got plenty old down there, and we'll just leave them sit. When we tear down the vines, we'll pick them all and see if we can get the beans out of them and that. So
we can still cook the beans, even if.
Yeah.
What do you put what is that?
Yep. So yeah, I just thought I'd let you people know. I kind of was thinking that when we got that rain a week ago, we should have some more. I just didn't realize there was so many here, and there's probably even, boy, 2/3 of a bucket like this of just the old stuff, and you can tell because it's getting really soft.
Yeah.
And like I said, we'll pick that and dry it out. Beth has got some drying here, but wow, so hard to get the beans out once they're dry.
No, this is not hard. We can put this on the oven, then if this will, I remember Mama before, this is just do it that way.
Oh,
When
okay.
it comes to hard.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, well, yeah, like I said, they've got their way of doing things here. So, I'll let you guys all go here. Just wanted to let you know, boy, that rain a week ago, yeah, it definitely did help as far as kind of the last of our veggies here coming up. And like I said, just so many beans out of this, kind of hard to believe that we got that much of a crop out of it. So I'm going to say goodbye to everybody from in back of the camera here, and there's Beth in front of the camera there. And we'll be back again soon. Like and subscribe, and God bless all of you.